Good day, everyone. My name is Lisel Magno Anisito, 39 years old, married. My husband working in hotel in Boracay for 20 years as a waiter. I have two kids, 9-year-old and 6 years old. My work experience, I'm working in hotel in Boracay for 20 years also. I'm a housekeeping, cleaning the room, and then after 5 years, I promote as a front desk officer. I'm working also in Taiwan for 3 years. My 2 years in Taiwan is I take care 3 children, 7-year-old, 5-year-old, and 3-year-old. I bring them in school and then after that I clean the house. Af- After 2 years, my remaining 1 year in Taiwan is I take care grandma and I'm the one to take her of here for giving her medicine also assistant going to the hospital for checkup. I afraid of dogs and cat and I have a little bit allergy for the seafoods and I promise that I do my best to be a worker soon and I'm thankful for that because I am a hard work person, ma'am, sir. If I take our children or your children, I promise that I love them like my child, like I take her in Taiwan before. That's why my boss very like me. Thank you so much for the opportunity to working with you soon in Singapore. Thank you so much. God bless.